subscribe with notifications on.
45 kilometers they'll charge you, say to you, will pay you 400 or 500. While in the US, for a minimum of 45 kilometers, it's about $300. You understand? How much is $300, guys? Come on. So we make money. South Africans don't travel. Why they don't travel? Because of their minds. Their minds are sitting like you live like, with these stereotypes that you want to be in one place. Guys, South African people don't travel. Why they don't travel and what is the problem? It's because of all these things that are said. You keep on sitting at home, you are looking for a job. All you do, you want to go and look for a job. Let me tell you something about South African, Bantu education that the government has actually given you. When they say your children must go to school, they are training them. Why are they doing that? Let me tell you something why they are training them. They are training them how to work. They are training their minds. They say, no, the kids must go to school, must go to school. That's why Elon Musk decided, you know what? This school thing for my children is nonsense. He took them out from school. Said, come here, I'll start teaching you business. That's what Elon Musk did with his children. He said, I will make sure this school thing is not working for me. I will educate you myself. You understand? He started teaching them business. He said to them, hey, look, if you want to study, you study online, sitting at home. Like myself, my kids study online. I sit at home. I can travel anywhere I want. I can go to Barcelona tomorrow. I can go to Italy tomorrow. I can go to Germany tomorrow. My kids are studying from home. I don't have to worry and say, I must wait for my kids to close school before I can travel. No. No. I don't do that. So guys, what I'm saying, why South Africans don't travel and what is the problem? It's because people don't know how to make money. People are sitting at home. They want to rely on others. You were raised to go to school. You were raised after school, you must go and work. You were raised after work, you must sit at home, you must get married, you must sit one place. That's the thing. Are you getting my point? So that's why we are not successful, because of the government has actually brainwashed us about this education system. Are you getting my point? But if you were to understand that we can make money for ourselves, we can do something. Yes, listen to me. If you've got kids at home, teach them business. Buy stock sweets for them. Buy chips for them. Buy what is this? Sweet 8. Make this. What is this? What do they call it? Ice. Sell ice. All these type of things. Sell it for about 1 rand, 2 rand. I do that for my children. I do that. I teach them business. They sell tomatoes. So they sell chips for themselves. They sell a lot of things. They sell ice. The mother will always make sure of encourage them and say, go buy sweet 8. Mix, put it in a small pack, make it, ice it. People comes, they buy. Kids from home, they come and buy. If my daughter is able to make 300 rand per day, why when I can't make it? Selling sweets, selling chips, sitting at home. Why can't you make it? So guys, what I'm saying is that South Africans, we don't travel because we are lazy to do things for ourselves. South Africans are actually scared to take risk, to move. All they want to do is to rely on the government. Guys, you're never gonna go anywhere with the government. Government will never help you to be successful. You'll continuously suffer for the rest of your life. Guys, we will talk again. I will come up with another topic tomorrow that will help you. But listen to me, guys. It's very easy to travel. Very easy to travel. If you want to travel, you want to make money. Use your phone. Use your computer. Stop doing these things. Going to Facebook and Instagram and watching porn. That won't help you. Use your phone. You can use your phone to start making money. You can use your laptop to start making money. Are you getting my point? So wake up, guys. Let us be people that can actually go out there and do something for ourselves. Are you getting my point? Alright, guys. Let me just end here. Then tomorrow it will be another topic again. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.